Hello and welcome back. I've been thinking that it's been quite some time since I turned 16 and I started with 11th grade, and there are a few things that I've learned. So, with that being said, here are a few things I wish somebody had told me when I was turning 16 or while I was entering 11th grade. So, with that being said, let us get into it. There's not much to introduce about this because I feel like it is pretty straightforward. So, yeah. Okay. So, the first thing is that your unit test 1 marks are not a prophecy about your future. Okay. So, hear me out. So, when you transition from 10th to 11th, the transition is so big and it is so bad that sometimes यू कैनॉट कैच अप विद दैट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्क्स. शायद तुमको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आता होगा या शायद तुमसे न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं सॉल्व होते होंगे, सबकी वही कहानी होती है. एंड आई नो दैट इट माइट साउंड वेरी क्लीशे, बट आई फील लाइक at some point or the other you need to hear this, especially if you are a JEE or a NEET aspirant, because अगर तुमको पहले टेस्ट में इतने अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं मिलते हैं, ट्रस्ट मी, इट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू आर डूम्ड फॉर और तुम्हारे लाइफ में कुछ नहीं होगा. ट्रस्ट में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू जस्ट नीड टू गेट द रिक्वायर्ड इनपुट्स फ्रॉम योर यूनिट 1 कि भाई यहाँ पे ऐसा क्या हुआ जो मुझे नहीं आया, एंड देन वर्क विद दैट. बट you really don't have to decide your entire future based off of one exam, और वो भी 11th का पहला एग्ज़ाम. ट्रस्ट मी, 10th और 11th में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क होता है. तो अगर आपको ऐसे लगता है कि यार अभी तो मेरा कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा, फिर व्हाट इफ़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू अचीव माई गोल, स्लो डाउन. Okay, it will be okay. By the time you give your final exams or your 12th boards, trust me, things will have changed 360 degrees, and now it's just like a transition phase from 10th to 11th. So I would say don't stress about it, just learn your lesson and move on. कोई नहीं पूछेगा तुम्हारे यूनिट टेस्ट के मार्क्स. Now the second one is the fact that you don't need a 12-step skincare routine or a 5 a.m. perfect Instagram life. Okay, listen. हमको ना मतलब इतना ज़्यादा वो यूट्यूब और इंस्टाग्राम पे चला हुआ है. हियर इज़ माई 12-step कोरियन स्किन केयर रूटीन. लाइक ओके, मे बी इट इज़ गुड, आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड इट, सो नो कॉमेंट्स अबाउट दैट. बट एक बार नोटिस करना कि वो जो ये स्किन केयर रूटीन से सब करते हैं और जिनके लिए एक्चुअली वर्क करता है, उनका एज देखना एक बार. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दैट दे आर नॉट 14 or 15 years old. बिकॉज first of all, skincare is not meant for somebody who is just growing. Okay, it is meant for people who are well in their adulthood, at least 18 or 19 years old. तो इतना बोलने के बाद भी तुमको ऐसे 12-13 स्टेप का रोज़ स्किन केयर रूटीन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू डोंट नीड ऑल दोज डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ लाइट्स एंड द स्किन केयर दैट कॉस्ट thousands of dollars. योर स्किन इज स्टिल प्रिटी यंग, and you don't need to just like you don't need so many chemicals on your skin, especially at such a young age. Moisturizer, sunscreen, toner, I think that is it. So I just feel like we need to stop romanticizing having a आधे घंटे का स्किन केयर रूटीन, because that will not get you anywhere. It is just a waste of time. उससे अच्छा तो तुम सो ही जाओ. Okay, and the next thing is the 5 a.m. Instagram perfect life. Listen, waking up at 5 a.m. is amazing. Okay, I'm all for it, but it should work for you, right? You should feel good about yourself. You shouldn't feel like अरे यार क्या है, रोज़ रोज़ 5 बजे उठना पड़ रहा है. तो अगर आपको ऐसे लगता है तो then that is not for you, and that's fine. Everybody does not need to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, journal for 1 hour, meditate for 2 hours. ऐसे सबके लिए वर्क नहीं करता है. Doesn't matter what time you wake up. You wake up at noon, you wake up at 8 a.m., 3 p.m., really doesn't matter. What matters is what you make out of your day from the moment you wake up. So don't get into that nonsense कि मुझे तो 5, 4, 3 बजे ही उठना है and I need to get my life together. Fine, get your life together, improve your habits, but if it is not working for you, don't force it. Now the next thing is, don't change your personality for a group of friends. Listen, I know at this age friends are very important and you should have a social circle, and I'm all for it, but that doesn't mean that you go around changing your personality according to the person you're dealing with, right? You need to have an authentic personality of your own, because if you don't, then it will be a huge problem for you in your adulthood. And trust me, having or developing a proper identity now is so important, because you need to know what you like, what you don't like, what kind of people you like, what boundaries you have. Because if you don't know what you want, then how are you going to have meaningful relationships moving forward in the future? So trust me, don't change your personality for everybody who comes along your way. Make friends, yeah, that is amazing. You should have a good social circle that you can rely on, but that doesn't mean that you just, try so hard to impress people. Don't be a try hard or a pick me. Trust me, it will backfire spectacularly. And the next part is probably the most important one. It is the fact that give JEE or NEET or any competitive exam only if you really want to do it. Not because your parents told you to, not because your teachers are telling you to, not because everybody around you is doing it. Just because मेरे क्लास में के 20-30 लोग JEE दे रहे हैं, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं भी दूँ. ठीक है, अगर मुझे खुद से करना है, अगर मुझे जेन्युइनली इंटरेस्ट है इतने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स देने में, तो श्योर ऑफ कोर्स डू इट. बट इफ़ यू आर ओनली डूइंग इट जस्ट बिकॉज योर पेरेंट्स आर टेलिंग यू टू डू इट, जस्ट बिकॉज अदर पीपल अराउंड यू आर टेलिंग यू टू डू इट, देन ट्रस्ट मी, यू आर सेटिंग योर सेल्फ अप फॉर डिजास्टर. क्योंकि अगर आपको पसंद नहीं है तो यार आप कितना घिस लोगे यार, 2 महीने 3 महीने 12th के एंडिंग तक. विल यू बी एबल टू सॉर्ट ऑफ perform that okay, I love it so much and I'm living my best life? There is no point in doing anything if you don't like it, because trust me, you have one life. Make the most out of it. So don't give JEE or NEET just because everybody around you is telling you to do it. Analyze the market trends, analyze what is in demand right now, get in touch with new courses. JEE and NEET is not the end of the world. So please reevaluate your choices before you make a concrete decision about what kind of exams you want to give. Trust me, this is one of the most important things that you need to get done in 11th grade, because if you don't, you'll just end up following random people on the internet or your friends, and it won't be good for you, because you'll regret it, and by the time you regret it, it will be too late. So yeah, with that being said, these were a few things that you need to know if you are 16 or if you are entering 11th grade. ये specifically 16 साल के बच्चों के लिए था, because I felt like having a chat with people my own age today. So yeah, but even if you're not 16 or even if you're older or younger, doesn't matter. But still, I mean, I feel like these are a few things that apply to us specifically. So yeah, let me know what are a few things you wish somebody had told you when you were turning 14, 15, 16, whatever your age is right now. And let me know in the comments down below how you like this, and if you like such type of content, then make sure to hit that follow button. Bye bye.